Whee! So dudes, we got another knife bonanza for you here. We have your typical, whatever this knife is called. This one, I don't know. There's a few little edges in the blade you can see. Actually, you can see pretty good in the camera there. So we're going to try to get those out with our 120 grit belt. This is not our 120 grit belt. It may look like it, but it's leather. And this one, I don't know. Are these made out of leather? I don't know what this is. Anyway. Someone can tell me. 20 degrees, number 3. And actually, let's go to 4. Let's go a little bit faster than usual. Look at that for speed, eh? Convenient. So now we're going to go to our X65. Actually, for fun, we can do a... I didn't do a sharpness test. Why don't we do one? Now that we've just sharpened it with the 120. I'm not sure how sharp it will be, actually. Let's have a look. Well... It does cut, okay? Well, okay, it did cut. And you can check that out. It's pretty rough, right? You can see it's torn. The edge is torn. That's not what we're looking for. I've lost my train of thought. We're making a knife sharper and... Oh, right, I was going to zoom in. High quality zoom experience. Okay, I don't want to go too slow because this camera battery is kind of not so truthful. So let's carry on. Okay. That was our X22. Now we're going to go to our X4. X4 is all happy. And now we're going to go to our X6000. How about that? That's what we'll call this weird belt. Because it's 6,000 grit. Now we're going to go to a very fancy belt. I'm going to now call it the XL because everything starts with X, and this thing is extra annoying to get out of here. God. XL, that's the leather belt. See that terminology? That makes sense to me. That's too fast. Okay, take the tension off the leather belt because you don't want to stretch it because that's what the book said. I don't know. And let's do our moment of truth. Whoa, there we go. Ready? Whee! Ready? Chop, 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 chop. Hey, let's see. Doesn't like that. Uh-oh. You gotta, you gotta have something for it. Yeah, you gotta have something there. If it's too bendy, right? Unless maybe, what if we go this way? Okay. How about the tip? Ooh. Uh-oh. There's the tip. Okay. Well, that's what that is. I hope you guys like what I do.